This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hi guys, this is Arifur and welcome to HTML Basic for Beginners. In this video, I will show you how to install Notepad++ software. Now you have to double click on this PC, then click on download from the quick access, then double click on programs folder. Here you can see Notepad++ software. Now double click on it, then click OK. Then click on the next. Click on I agree. Then next. You have to select create shortcut on desktop. Then click on install. If you want to run Notepad++, just click on finish. Now I don't want to open Notepad++ software, so I am deselecting run Notepad++. Now you have to click on finish. Now you have to close this. Here you can see Notepad++ software has been installed. Now you are ready to use Notepad++ software.